Hi, this is Vikas Rajpurohit. In this video, we are going to learn that how we can load and automate data in Power BI in our local system. So, so like we have data set sales data for 2014, 15, 16, and 17. So like in future, we have some additional data for 18, 19, or any additional data. So our Power BI should be able to load that data directly and it should perform the same operation as we performed earlier. So for that, we are just going to load the data. So before that, let me just put the current data outside the folder. This 17, let me just keep this data outside the folder, and after preparing data, we will just load data inside and we will click on refresh and we will check if it is working fine or not. So we will load data as folder. Just go to get data and load to folder. So I will load it as a folder, not as a file. I will not just give to location and I will select all the files. No, this is not going to work. We just need to select folder. If we will select folder, then it will check all the files available in this folder. So I will just connect and I will give path. I will just browse the path. I have kept this data. Okay, so here we loaded and we have 14, 15, 16 file extension is this, file path is this. So these are the additional column will be created. So we do not have to worry about this. We will delete or remove additional column in our final data set. So I will just combine and load. Okay, so this data looks good. Okay. Okay, let it be loaded. Just give some time. Okay, so data has been loaded in our Power BI. So we see this sales data. I will just I will just go to table view and I will see all the columns available. So this I see this additional column source dot name. This is not useful for us. If I short this data, then I will see we have latest file for 2016. So this is not a useful column. So I will just go to Power Query and I will just transform data. Okay, so whatever file we have loaded and we done all these operations performed here. Now we have this new file in this sales, and in this file we have this additional column. So we just need to remove this column. So I will just right click on this and remove column. So here we performed steps remove columns. So always it is a good practice to mention everything in details. Okay, so we perform this operation. After this, we do not have some additional column. It do not, it looks good. So okay, so if we have some additional column we do not require, we will delete those. Apart from this, if we are doing some data cleaning operation and all that, then we will need to do this, and all these operation will be performed automatically to the new data whenever we will just click on refresh button. So now I will just click on close and apply. Okay, so changes has been applied to this file. I will just pull the date. I will pull a table. I will pull date. Okay. Okay, so here if I short this, I have latest data as 16. Okay, so now if we click on this refresh button, and if we have some additional file, then this data should be here like 2017. So before even loading, I will do some I will add a card. I will use new card. It have new feature as well as good visuals. So I will just create a new measure which will show us current time and date. that when did we last refresh our data. So I will just give it name as last refresh data. Okay, and I will give we have a simple basic formula. Now will give us current time and date. Okay, I will click OK, and I will just pull the last refresh date in this card. Okay, so this is giving us current date and time. I do not want this in seconds, so I can just change the format. You can change format as you like. So I just want to keep it in AM and PM. Okay, this looks good. I will pick this. Okay, format has been changed. We can do some visualization on this. We can just do some call out value. This is too large size. I will just change it to Cambria. This looks good, and I will just keep it as 20. Okay, this is fine. Okay, I can do some more visualization in this. So this is card, new option we have in the new card visuals. This ascent bar, I will just click on ascent, and this position we are keeping our daytime position as left. We can like do bottom or anything change we can do. So for now I just want to keep in left. I will just use ascent bar as orange color. So you see this is the color ascent bar. I will give width as 20. Okay, so this is too dark, so I will do some transparency. I will do this is too light. I will just keep it as 30. Okay, this looks good, and this is all in this, and we can do some padding. So padding is like space. We are giving space side, left, right, or anything like that. So I will just do custom padding. In custom, we already gave length as 20, so 20 will I will just give 22. It will give some space. Okay, and all as I will just give two left. Okay, I can do some more in this. Just this corner doesn't looks good rectangular, so I will just do some change shape. I will just do it rounded. I can change corner as 15. This looks good. That is all in the visual. You can explore all the visualization option here, uh, as well as general visualization from your end. So now we will just try to load. I will just put this file again in this folder. Okay, this here. So now I want that when I will click on refresh button, it should take automatically here, automatically value, and also we will get last refresh data, time and date. So I will just click on refresh. Okay, so now you are able to see that 2017 data, and this is last updated on 439. So this is how you can load and automate data in Power BI local system. We can do the same thing as well as in cloud version. We will see that in next video. That is all for now. Thank you.